Happy New Year to you all. Welcome to 2018. Today I'll be doing another video on unboxing. This time I'll be unboxing a laptop. I already have a 15-inch ASUS Aspire E15 laptop. It's pretty good and powerful, but it's a little heavy and huge. It's not that easy to carry around when I travel. So I wanted to buy a laptop which is 14-inch lightweight and easy to carry around when I'm traveling. Browsing through, I came across ASUS Vivobook. Model number is, it retails for around $999 Sing, but as a New Year offer I got it for $799. It's a pretty good deal. In brief, it's a 14-inch laptop, very lightweight, good metallic design. It comes with 8 GB RAM, 1 TB hard disk and 2 GB graphic card. Small package but yet powerful. Let's do the unboxing and I'll tell you its specs, its features and what all comes in the box. Keep watching. Very standard packaging, nothing fancy about it. Here it is, nicely packed, very lightweight. I'll come to that later. Let's see what are the contents. It comes with a 1-year subscription of McAfee Internet Security. A pretty small booklet which describes the laptop in detail of all the Vivobook models, as it comes in 14-inch, 15-inch and 17-inch model. 14-inch and 15-inch model have similar ports and features, whereas 17-inch model has slightly different ports and features. Another 2-pager which is a quick start guide. It shows how to charge your notebook PC and how to lift open the display panel. An optical wired mouse is also included in the box, which has an ASUS branding. Here we have a charging brick and a charging cord. It's a square pin charger as per Asian standards. You can see the input and output power mentioned on the brick. That's it for the content of the box. Let's keep the box aside and let me show you the laptop. It has a very stunning finishing. Stylish laptop available in metallic star grey or high gloss spun finish. It comes in 4 colors: icicle gold, star grey, rogue and pearl white. On the right side we have various ports and indicators, starting with the status indicator. Then we have the memory card reader, headphone and microphone jack, 2 USB 2.0 port and a security slot. On the front of the laptop we have no indicators, no ports, nothing. On the left hand side we have power input port, LAN port, 1 HDMI port, 1 USB 3.0 port and 1 USB Type-C port. It's powered by latest 7th generation Intel Core i5 processor with 8 GB RAM and 2 GB NVIDIA graphic card for smooth and great gaming experience. It also features dual band Wi-Fi for super fast internet connection. It's a very thin and light laptop. It weighs only 1.3 kg and has an amazingly thin 18.75 mm profile. It's an everyday laptop with the weight and compactness of an ultrabook. Let's power on the device and let me show you its display. It has a nano edge display with ultra narrow bezel It's typically a 13-inch laptop but with a 14-inch Full HD display, having an incredible 78% screen to body ratio. It has a very bright display and there is no difficulty in viewing in different angles. Let me show you some other features, very important one, as mentioned on ASUS website. Thank you for watching. If you like the unboxing and review, please do like, share and comment. And once again, a very happy new year to you all.